Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
The weather is so gorgeous. Like, I absolutely love this weather. It's so warm, it's sunny. I mean, some of y'all would say it's hot, but it's warm, it's sunny, the skies are so blue. Oh my god, let me show you guys. But yeah, we're about to head out and to go pick up something from my folks' house and see them. They just came from vacation. The first vacation without me. They just came from vacation. I have unresolved feelings about that. I've been battling with the feeling of feeling like I have a new normal. Like, because the last vacation I was with them was last year, and I have always like we've always been together as a family on vacation. So this year I spent it a little different, which was amazing. It was a new thing. It was different, but it was also really amazing. But I couldn't help but feel weird and missing my family and feeling left out, feeling FOMO. However, I did have a great Christmas. I spent it with my in-laws, and then I spent New Year's Eve with my friends, and then New Year's with my in-laws as well. It was great. It was actually really fun. I had a really, really good time. However, I did miss my family quite a lot. So I think it's just hitting me slowly that I'm actually, like, I have a new family of my own. That's me and my husband primarily, and then there's my in-laws as well, and then now my family. Like, I have different dynamics now. It was kind of strange on 25th that I couldn't spend it with them, but I am gonna resolve those feelings. I think it gets easier, right? I hope. Yeah, so anyway, we're about to head out. I need to get something from them, go see them, and then go to village market to Eva Bazaar, because I saw last time I was there, I saw they have dried lemon slices. I need some for something that I'm working on next week. Yeah, so that's it. Just in a vest and sweatpants. Yeah, let me show you guys the skies. They are so beautiful. The weather is amazing. Honestly, if we really didn't need the rain, I think we'd just be like this the whole time. I absolutely love this weather. It is so gorgeous.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? You see me, oh, one shot, could you keep me? And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better. Perfect, I'm a picture of the stars dancing.
and pray and listen, hear your Father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Atonement for my sin cleanses deep within, and I know that you forgive all unrighteousness. And it makes no sense to me why you died for your enemies. Now I live, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold, hold on me, so draw me close. Darkness loses its hold on me. feel too good to let me go. I just know that when you hold me and draw me closely, it's the sweetest thing. And you don't change. I don't want it my way. I just know that you are. Ooh, you're the quiet that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. 'Cause you gave yourself to me, I'll give it all. I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. You're the sunrise after a dark night. You're the one I desire. When I wake up, I'm wrapped in your love, and my heart just feels so light. Living water when I'm stuck in the desert. Nothing matters when I'm far from my shepherd. You're the compass of my life. Ooh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Oh, I scarcely see it, but I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, Lord, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
Hi. My hair is clean. The beauty about having locks is that wash days become so easy. Like I just have to wash, sometimes condition or treat my hair, and then air dry. That's it. On a regular, I use rose water to just moisturize and just keep my hair shiny and, you know, feeling good. But today I'm just gonna air dry. I'm just gonna be like this the whole day. I was actually making breakfast before the electricity decided not today. We're not gonna do this today. And I had planned on shooting content, so I don't know if I'll have enough light to do that. We'll just see. The good thing is that I've already made breakfast, which is just a very simple salad, egg, bacon, cucumber, tomatoes, pickled onions that I made. And then I've sprinkled some pepper, Himalayan salt, and some mayo. Because I couldn't use the coffee maker, just decided to do some apple and cinnamon tea, which I have really been loving. It's actually really like, it's, I think also an apple and cinnamon mocktail slaps. That combination is just really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. and I hope you're having a lovely day and you're having a really good start to your year. Mine has been like I've eased into it. This week is when we resumed. We've opened the shop, so yesterday was Tuesday, so I spent a couple of hours at the shop and then ended up doing some other errands. But yeah, so it's been a really good start to the year. I'm hoping that we grow together. Content wise, I have so much lined up. Like today I'm actually planning to do content. I'm hoping the lights do come back because I need good lighting for that. So I'm making content for TikTok and Instagram, and if you haven't followed me on that, why not? What are you waiting for? The link is in the description in my bio. But on socials my name is the same across the 3 platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I go by Life as Wanja. So yeah, I'm looking to grow. Business wise, I am praying for my business. Guys, come get your nails done. I know merudi job, but musikai na kucheza December, January, please come get your nails done. Anyway, let me close off this vlog. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, do engage with me, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
I am blessed. I am blessed. I am.